All right, let's look at another building block here that can be useful to us. Let's go back to the reference page. And let's say our client says, we don't want the word chapter in the table of contents. It's okay that it's in each chapter, but in the table of contents, we just want the number. And so what we do is we change this building block into another one. And there's a building block called paranum only. And what that'll do is that'll just bring the number over. And while we're here, let's change some of the formatting. What we want to do is we want to add a tab here and a tab stop, and I'll show you what we're doing here in a second. So let's double click on this tab stop, and we'll set this so it matches the indent, the left indent of the heading 2, so they kind of line up. And of course we want to update all here, update style. And again, we changed content, but we're not going to see it on the body page until we actually generate this. So let's bring it over here, and let's click the update button, and you can see what we've got now. So we've got the paranum only, so we left behind the word chapter, we left behind the colon, anything else in there we left behind, and we simply got the chapter number. So that's what that paranum only building block is, and we just added a little bit of different formatting here. Now the one thing we can do is, let's say we want to make these numbers bold. So let's first of all, let's add a little bit of space around these things. So we're gonna go here and let's make this like 12 point because we need a little bit of space. Okay, and let's go to let's do our formatting on the reference page. Let's be consistent here, just so you can see what we're going to do here. So we're actually going to select this building block, and we're going to bring up the character designer, Control D, and we're going to actually create a new format here. So first of all, we'll set the window to as is, and we'll call this TOC number. So we're going to actually format these numbers, and we'll leave everything as is, except we'll make them bold, and we'll change the size. We'll change them to like 14 point, and we want to say create style, and of course as we create it, it's actually going to apply it to this text we have selected. So let's go back to the body pages. Now again, we won't see it until we actually update the book, and so now you can see, now we got the bold numbers. So we are able to change the character formatting of particular building blocks and have it stick.